Best hair dryers. Are you looking for the best hair dryers? In this video we will look at some of the best hair dryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. The Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer is engineered for speed, control, and professional level results, making it ideal for all hair types. Testers with fine, color-treated hair, like Sarah, have praised its performance. I can fully dry my hair in about 10 minutes, and that's impressive considering I have fine hair but a lot of it. The Supersonic is fast, powerful, and perfectly engineered. I usually rough dry for a few minutes, then apply leave-ins and serums, wrap my hair in a towel to absorb them, and finish with a paddle brush for a sleek look. The magnetic attachments are incredibly easy to switch, and the long cord ensures I don't have to twist around to reach outlets in my small bathroom. It's not the lightest dryer, but nothing else works this well. Another reviewer, Annie, adds, using the Supersonic is a treat. It's quiet, lightweight, and the airflow is precise, no frizz-inducing blasts like other dryers. The only minor issue is occasionally hitting the on-off switch by mistake, but that's tiny compared to how well it performs. I just wish it included a brush attachment. Features. Heat settings, 4. Wattage, 1600 W. Attachments, 5, diffuser, white tooth comb, gentle air attachment, styling concentrator, flyaway attachment. Weight, 1.81 pounds, including cable and plug. Cord length, 9 feet. Perfect for everyone, from fine to thick, straight to wavy hair. With its combination of speed, power, and carefully engineered airflow, the Dyson Supersonic transforms drying and styling into a professional experience at home. Number 2. Shark SpeedStyle RapidGloss Finisher and High Velocity Hair Dryer. The Shark Quick Smooth Hair Dryer and Brush is designed to deliver fast, smooth, and polished hair with minimal effort, making it perfect for anyone from straight to wavy hair types. Testers with long, wavy, or thick hair have shared glowing experiences. Angela, who has wavy hair with 18-inch K-tip extensions, explains, "My hair is wavy, and because I don't get haircuts, it's pretty dead." When I first tried the Shark, I was blown away by how light it is and how quickly it dried my hair. I rough dried first with just the dryer, then used the Quick Smooth brush attachment, going from soaking wet to silky smooth in about 20 minutes, a record in my book. Shauna, with thick, 3A curly hair, adds, "I think in terms of BS, before Shark, and AS, after Shark. My hair has never had this much volume at home. The lightweight design made blow drying my heavy hair much easier, and the adjustable head lets me get close to the roots to prevent flatness at the crown. It comes with the diffuser and functions as a standard dryer, so everyone in my house can use it. It cut down my blow-dry time by 10 to 15 minutes while leaving my hair shiny, bouncy, and smooth. Unlike other dryer brushes, it doesn't overheat or damage hair." Features. Heat settings, 3. Wattage, 1700 W. Attachments, 3, RapidGloss Finisher, Quick Smooth Brush, Turbo Concentrator. Weight, 1.66 pounds. Cord length, 8 feet. Ideal for people with straight to wavy hair. The Shark Quick Smooth combines power, speed, and precision to transform at-home styling into a professional experience. Number 3. L'Oreal Professionel AirLight Pro. The AirLight Professional Hair Dryer is engineered for speed, precision, and salon-quality results, perfect for anyone short on styling time. Testers with wavy, curly, and frizz-prone hair have praised its efficiency and performance. Sarah, who has 2B/2C curly wavy hair and usually air dries with a defined curl routine, says, "This dryer means business. It's powerful, and if you need to style quickly, it's worth every penny." Paired with a round brush, I can tame my notoriously finicky bangs in under 2 minutes, then the diffuser attachment finishes the rest in under 15 minutes. Lily, with long, wavy, and frizzy hair, adds, "This is genuinely the fastest dryer I've ever used. It dries my hair from soaking wet to fully dry in about 4 minutes. I use a paddle brush for a smooth base, a burst of cold air to lock and shine, then finish with a curler or flat iron. My hair comes out sleek, shiny, and compliment-worthy every time. Jessa, who has long, medium-coarse, wavy hair, shares, "I hate blow-drying, but the AirLight makes it incredibly fast. It dried my damp hair in just over 4 minutes, smoothing strands and leaving them shiny. It's powerful yet gentle, quickly zapping moisture without burning." Features: heat settings, 3. Wattage, 1875 W. Attachments, 2, diffuser and concentrator. Weight, 1.7 pounds. Cord length, 11.5 feet. Ideal for people who want fast, efficient styling without spending hours at the mirror. With its combination of speed, power, and precision, the AirLight transforms everyday blow-drying into a quick and effortless experience. Number 4. RevAir Reverse Air Dryer. The RevAir hairdryer is designed to dry, stretch, and style textured hair efficiently while minimizing heat damage, making it ideal for protective styles like twist-outs, braid-outs, and locks. Editors and testers with natural and textured hair have praised its innovative suction technology that dries from the inside out. Jessica, editor-in-chief, explains, "My hairstylist recommended blow-drying before a twist-out to maintain moisture, but even with a comb attachment, I struggled with hot tools on my 4B coils. The RevAir is like a vacuum, it stretches the hair as it dries. I used the lowest setting, and my hair is done in just under an hour. It's large and not portable, so I usually sit in front of my TV and catch up on K-dramas while it works." Jalen, who has locked hair, adds, "What I love about the RevAir is how quickly it dries and stretches my hair without extreme heat or tension. Traditional dryers used to take hours on my dense locks, but the RevAir pulls moisture out efficiently, working from the inside out. I've had it for over 4 years, and it's helped minimize breakage. I haven't lost a single lock. It's versatile too. My best friend, with a completely different texture, uses it as well. The only minor downside is that the wand is heavy and a bit awkward to hold for long periods, but overall, it delivers exactly what it promises." Features: heat settings, 3. Wattage, 800 W. Attachments, 1 heat-producing wand. Weight, 8 pounds. Cord length, 5.5 feet. Ideal for people with textured hair seeking a dryer that works for protective styles. With its unique suction technology and careful heat control, the RevAir transforms drying and styling into a safe, efficient, and salon-quality experience at home. Number 5. GHD Helios Professional Hairdryer. The T3 Helios hairdryer is designed to deliver fast, sleek, and frizz-free results without weighing you down, making it perfect for anyone who wants salon-quality styling at home. Testers with different hair types praised its speed, power, and precision. Deanna, who has dense, fine, curly 2C/3A hair and usually sticks to wash-and-go styles, shares, "This tool really surprised me in the best way. It's super lightweight and easy to handle. Even though my hair is dense, the Helios with its smoothing attachment fully dried my hair in just 10 minutes, leaving it noticeably shinier and smoother than other dryers I've tried. I didn't need any frizz control product, and I had 0 flyaways, which is rare for me. It doesn't come with a diffuser, which I wish it did since I wear my hair curly most days, but for sleek styles or a quick dry, it absolutely delivered. It's not flashy, it just works really well." Alessandra, with straight to wavy 2A hair prone to frizz, adds, "This hairdryer is powerful. At the highest setting, it dried my hair in seconds. It's lightweight even though it's larger than my usual dryer, and the air concentrator nozzle is contoured for precise styling. The cooling feature is stronger than my old dryer, and the button is easy to press. My husband even said it looks like a tool from a space movie." Features: heat settings, 3. Wattage, 1875 W. Attachments, 1 air concentrator. Weight, 1.72 pounds. Cord length, 9.5 feet. Ideal for anyone who wants a quiet, powerful hairdryer that delivers professional results. With its combination of airflow power, lightweight design, and precision control, the T3 Helios transforms everyday drying into a fast, effortless, and frizz-free experience.